Continuing to lay out intersecting tape lines. I can tell you I'm already getting sick of this and I've got a whole other room to do, but I'm feeling more and more confident that the end result of this is going to be amazing. It just hit me that I'm going to have to go to every single intersection and put a straight edge and cut the tape, peel it up, peel it up, peel it up, and peel it up. This is a very tedious job, so I decided to outsource it to my son. He's doing is setting up a straight edge and trying to line it up perfectly on this. And then he's cutting out these areas on either side. Now that we're cleaning out these intersections, we're gonna have to remove all this chalk so the paint can stick. So we're gonna come through and clean it all. Cutting these out is exceedingly tedious, and I'm starting to be able to identify with Jack Nicholson's character in The Shining. So many more to do. These little things are a big part of my descent into madness. Unnatural edges. I've lost track of time since we began our journey. And then I have to scratch it again. And then peel it up again. So I finally got all the little rectangles cut out from all of these, so all the intersections now are nice and clean. And oh, that was a tedious task I would not wish on any of you. But I had to keep my eye just focused and thinking, this is gonna look great. This is going to be worth it. And I was able to get through. A little bit of rubbing alcohol and a paper towel will remove all the chalk residues and anything else we might need. Now we need to stop the overspray by rolling out some paper. So we're gonna paint each one of these lines with a primer first. Remember protective equipment. The first test spot of orange. I haven't done very much. Right here, I've sprayed it with a clear coat because I wanted to make sure if I clear coat the spray after I'm done that it won't interfere with the UV. You'll be able to see where it is, but it's still just a little bit tacky. I'm wanting to do this test before I clear coat everything in the same, and this would be a polyacrylic. I don't think this has a UV protective in it to protect from the sun, which would also stop it from fluorescing. So we'll see. I'm going to let that test run. This has been a very tedious task. We've got primer sprayed on all the lines, and we're about to start the neon paint. This stuff, orange. This is going to take a while. I wonder how this is going to look when I pull it all up. A little more fun when I turn on the black lights, but I'm still not certain about this. I'm going to be peeling up all this tape today. Okay, I think some of these specks like this, I think that's just chalk, yeah. That's just chalk left over from the chalk lines. So actually this turned out really clean. Oh, this is going to make for some satisfying video footage. Yeah. Wow, this is so satisfying. Look how straight that line is. Lots of paper to pull up now. I remember an old saying that you're not supposed to pray for patience because you don't want to actually go through the process of getting it because the way you learn patience is by having to face things that make you have to be patient. But I also think patience can be very rewarding. And I think facing situations that make us have to be patient like this makes us better people. I guess that kind of goes back to so many people try to spend their lives avoiding problems. But when we face problems, that's where we find who we are. Avoiding problems doesn't make us successful. It's dealing with problems that makes us successful. Facing a problem head on. That's what will make us successful people. Oh, this feels so good. Peeling up this tape. Seeing the nice clean lines. I've been seeing this in my head for weeks. And to finally bring it out of the real world. Wish I hadn't trimmed my fingernails yesterday in hindsight. Probably would have made this a lot easier. What do you think? Does this floor make you think of Tron? Still not 100% done, but we're getting there. I absolutely love this floor. I am very excited to see this place finished. Make sure to follow if you haven't already, because this is going to be incredible. I'm very, very confident now.